Hey guys, so I bought a RedTiger F7NP dash cam from Amazon, and this is how it looks mounted on the windshield. It's got forward facing and rear facing. I got the rear camera on the back window like so. It's stuck on there with 3M tape. To run the wire to the back camera, I ran it up here over with an airbag in case for whatever reason the airbag deploys in the accident. So as the wire goes over the airbag, up the headliner, and out in the center up there. Hold on this weather stripping. And the wires right there. To tuck the wire in the back, I use this long zip tie and taped the end of it and fished it through the plastic panel back here and had it pop out back of the headliner in here, and that's how I ran the cord. Whatever slack I have is up here in the headliner. Dash cam also comes with this power source, 12 volt, and you can also plug a USB if you needed to occupy that spot to charge a phone or a tablet, and it would plug in at the top of the dash cam here. But I decided to get the Hardwire kit, so I ran the cable all the way up the headliner, over down to this pillar, and I used my cable tie and fished it into this fuse panel here.